right, we are here, new lake, and it is cold out, very friggin' cold. We knew from contour maps there's a nice little lift out here, so we found the lift, we're fishing just off the side, we're set up in 25 feet with the shack, and we are after walleyes today. It's minus 38 outside with the wind, our faces were froze, the beard and the mustache were froze, Lyle's eyelashes were like probably half-inch thick with ice.
The heater was so cold you had to bring the propane inside because it was going freaking out. Fluttering. I thought last night, I went, normally we fish with sticks, you know, like we fish with gads or switches or whatever you call them, but I was thinking last night, I went, it's going to be so cold, I'm going to bring a tip up because they work good. You can let the hole kind of freeze up and you don't have to be checking it all the time. It's set over there and out in 28 or 29 feet, and we're 25, and then Brendan has his line over there at, I think it's about
12 feet.
12 feet, so we're right on that drop.
Yeah, it's a quick drop. If you're wondering about the new shack, this is my new shack, because the Otter went back. This model is actually called the Clam Stealth Sightfisher Thermal, and honest initial review, this is the first time setting it up. It's pretty nice.
It's pretty big.
Because this is still lots of room for you. You could have 3 guys in here.
Oh, easy.
You could fish 3 guys.
We are undecided of what we want to do right now. If we stay here, it's almost 11. We haven't even had a bite or marked anything really. We make a move on this lake or make a move to another lake. Like completely new lakes.
I kind of want to move over there, but like Lyle said, it'd be easy to just move around the lake here. Hard to say for walleye because like we're not gonna know right till evening.
You're rigging up to go. You've made the decision.
I think we should move spots.
Okay.
Stay tuned.
Just body check him.
Oh, he's got it. I think anyway. Oh yeah.
Mikey! Oh, jeez, a slimer.
Broke it or what?
Good job, Lyle.
Got pliers?
Yeah, in the shack.
Get your finger in there.
He's bleeding good.
Here. You want to jam your finger in there?
We got our good buddy Maxwell Rakoski here helping with the
There we go.
situation. Look at that. That's what the boys from Round Lake do, right? We lip fish.
Nice young plump.
Pike, walleye.
Look at that one.
Bleeding a little bit, but we'll get it back.
Oh, he'll be all right.
Just
Go on.
good job.
Got her done.
Good effort, Max. Nice assist there. Lyle.
Yeah. Good job, Lyle.
Better.
All right, man.
What, you caught one or what? What? Missed one.
No.
Broke the stick.
Like 4 pounds.
Oh,
Great big one.
broke the stick. 10-pounder, broke the stick. Sunset. Prime time. Prime time, Lyle. Prime time, Maxwell. Prime time, Shannon.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Teague, prime time, bud. Marty, you know what time it is? Prime time. It's prime time, bud.
Eat it. He's gonna crush it. Oh, he's on me. He's on me. Something's on me. Oh yeah, he's all over me. Now he's gone. He was all over me though. Now he's on you. He's gonna eat. Left. Well, then it was a different one.
Always come back up at it. Just looking at it. my drag right loose. He's looking at it. Oh. Oh, that's a bite. He's on.
Give it to him.
No, let him eat it.
So he's out of my line though.
Turn your light on towards me or something here. He's running with it. Look at.
Alright, try it.
Look at.
Yeah. Is your drag set? Is your drag set?
Oh no, it's not. Good eye. Swimming with it.
Okay, try it now.
Oh, he's running with it now. He's got it.
So you're gonna be in my line. Oh yeah! Be a big one. There's one on mine too.
It's not bad.
Here, I'll get it.
Come closer, Lyle.
Film close?
Oh, his head shakes.
Hold on. Got it.
He's close to the hole. If the line does that. Not a bad one. Make sure that camera can still see me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's biting half decent. Oh yeah. Good head shakes.
Oh, he's big. He's big. He's big. He's big.
Yeah, nice one.
Probably 4 or 5 pounds.
Is that one going?
I've got this one right in my hand.
Gotta get him guided up the hole here. There we go.
He's hooked good. He's hooked deep. There he is. Oh. Here he comes. Nice!
There we go.
That's a beauty. That's
That's
a
a nice
keeper
one.
for sure.
Right in the top of the mouth. Look at.
Yeah.
Not barely even hooked. Look at just through the skin.
Yeah.
Look at that. Pop it out. Can't get this hook out. Barely hooked, but he's hooked good. There.
Beauty.
Let's go outside and.
Hold him up. No, we're good.
Yeah, it's pretty cold out. There's a beauty.
That's a beauty. Probably 24, 25 incher.
Check this out, guys. That is awesome. Nice, beautiful walleye. What do you think? Should I keep it as a snack or should I let her go?
If you don't keep it, I'll keep it.
Yeah.
Or you can let it go. It's up to you, bud. But that's a beauty.
That is a nice fish.
Yeah. Well, I guess I'll keep it.
Yeah?
I'll
We'll get
keep
some
one for a
pictures.
snack.
We'll
Why
get some
not?
pictures. That's a
Alright.
beauty. Congrats, bud.
Thanks. Well, it's been a few minutes. Not much action. We're gonna start packing up, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.